Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix shortcut not showing on Snapchat in 2022. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all what you have to do is just simply open Snapchat. So guys, after that what you have to do is just simply take a picture and then tap on send to. So guys, in this section here you can see shortcut. It's showing in my Snapchat. So guys, if it's not showing in your mobile, so what you have to do is just simply go back and update your Snapchat to latest version and then check whether a problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I am opening Google Chrome here. So guys, after that what you have to do is just simply search for Snapchat Sport. Yep, here it is. So guys, here you can see first link Snapchat Sport. So you have to tap on this. So guys, scroll it down. Here you can see contact us. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on this. So guys, here you can see lot of option. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on this. I need help with a Snapchat feature. So guys, here you can see lot of options. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on settings. So guys, here you can see a form. So from here what you have to do is just simply put your username here and put your email here. So you can put any active email here and write something about your shortcut here. So I have already copied, so given in the description as well, so you can copy from here. So guys, after that what you have to do is just simply tap on send. So your request has been submitted, and after 24 hours you will receive an email from Snapchat team for enable your shortcut. So that is the method guys. You can enable your shortcut in your Snapchat. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like this, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.